Today in your reading mini lesson, we learned that sometimes the writer tells the meaning of a word that you don't know in the sentence, the paragraph, or elsewhere in the book. For example, in this first sentence, at a little factory, hard little cocoa pieces called nibs go into a machine. Well, nibs would be the word that maybe you're unsure of. Maybe you're not sure what a nib is. But if you go back in the sentence, hard little cocoa pieces is what describes the nib. And a lot of times you can find the description in that same sentence, later in the paragraph, or somewhere else in the book. So today, when you are reading, if you come across a word that you don't know, take a look in the sentence, maybe in the paragraph, or somewhere else in the book to see if you can figure out that unknown word and what it might actually mean. When we get back together, if you've had one of those words that you came across, be ready to share and let your classmates know where you found the definition or where you found the meaning of the unknown word and how you did it.